Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find this option, notifications and status bar. Then in the status bar section, we've got the battery indicator, so let's simply tap on it. And as you can see in this device, we've got 4 different options. So only the battery indicator without the percentage applied. Then the percentage inside the battery icon. So as you can see, after tapping on the specific option, the percentage will be immediately applied. It is relatively small. It has to fit inside the battery icon. We've got also the option next to the battery icon, and now you can compare it and you can see that it is much more visible. Or we've got this option, so we've got this green line at the very top of the screen. It ends right here. I'm not really sure if you can see it. So obviously you can choose the option which is the most comfortable for you, and I think I will pick this one. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.